We spend many hours at work and there are interactions between surgeon and nurse. I will try to explain why a close connection is needed for this binomial. Doing surgery is difficult. What am I going to share with you is what makes a successful MD-PA team, professional and human qualities for the nurse PA, why a team approach, the breakdown, problems, impact and resolutions, and the need of a team leader. Some rules should be established to make a successful team. Perfect knowledge of her or his habits, an open communication, confidence, complicity, support and respect. Which professional qualities are required for a nurse PA? Check DORA, equipment and implants, organization, a good knowledge of the patient file, perfect knowledge of the procedure steps, efficiency, risk management. Now, what are the human qualities for the nurse? Self-control, situation analysis, speed, strictness, attention to the surroundings, respect patient privacy, patience, tenacity, and of course resistance to fatigue and stress. We can affirm that the nurse PA is the best instrument that a surgeon has, and she is the backbone of the team. Which prevent us from taking initiative? First, the lack of time. Stop the multitasking to be more efficient, learn to say no, try to prioritize your work. The lack of confidence, encourage employees' empowerment, and the lack of skills, organize continuing education. Around the patient, there are a lot of actors. The surgeons, the anesthesiologist, the fellow and the resident, and the nurse PA. This is the team who has to take care of the patient. There is a crisis when one of the actors enters in conflict with another one. This leads to a danger, and the worst that can happen is a medical error. The literature has highlighted that the breakdown was due to the multiple factors. There are multiple actors that we have to interact between. There are complex surgical procedures. There is a nurses turnover. There are new surgical materials, a fear of a negative judgment, professional engagement, and DORA is the stressful environment, and number of patient schedule timing is very important. And this breakdown has many impacts. DORA is a stressful environment that can involve physical or psychological damage. This damage and some conflicts can decrease productivity, and this can lead to patient injuries, complications, deaths, and medical malpractice claims. Avoiding physical or psychological damage, avoiding patient injuries, complications, and deaths. You have to do some resolution for the breakdown. Appreciate every other team's member's strengths and skills. Set goals and performance feedback. Improving work habits. Improving collaborative skills and feedback. Supporting change and development. Managing complaints. Empowering employees. And keep learning and allow your team to grow. Create protocol and don't hold on to old sentiments. Communicate. Show mutual respect and communicate with humor. It's obvious that the team needs a leader, and the best person is the surgeons. As the surgeon learns new practice or technologies, these new skills and routine are introduced to the team. The surgeons need a specialized nurse PA because polyvalence is the contrary to excellence. In summary, Close connection between surgeon and nurse PA improves patient safety and efficient health care. The OR is a theater where we are actors. Everybody should know his role and let others play theirs. Absence of close connection in the team means absence of dialogue. Setback and lost time leads to waste time, which itself leads to increased risk of infection, counterproduction, frustration, and medical error. Team approach save life. Cohesive surgical team is a vital component to further reduction in perioperative morbidity. None of us acting alone can achieve success. Being professional, but being cool, your nurse PA is there for you to be zen. Thank you for your attention.